Hi, and welcome to this week's required reading lecture and video section. This week we are dealing with Chapter 6, so you'll see below the video presentations of the Chapter 6 lectures in various formats for you to choose from. Along with that, below this folder, you might have noticed the MS Project folder that will also show you how to do some of the MS Project skills necessary to complete Case 2. Along with that also is an additional section on that will help you through doing these backwards and forward passes and assessing the network sensitivity. There's some good instructional videos that I posted in the additional video section as well. So this week, overview again, read Chapter 6, take a look at the lectures, try some example problems, try and follow along with the recorded example problems that you see. Start learning some basic MS Project skills, or choose another software available to you free on the internet that will do the same thing, but ultimately you need to create something that will create Gantt charts and network diagrams for you. So Microsoft Project is what I would suggest you use. You may have other things out there available to you, and I'm fine with that as well. Case 1's due on October 3rd, a week from when I'm recording this, so you need to kind of get on that if you haven't done that with your, and it, again, can be a team-based case. You can do one for the three of you on your team, or I think in some cases two-person teams. What else? What else? Okay, so of course this week, as you might have noticed, and I'll mention it tonight in tonight's live session, we'll be in the process of bidding on resources for the team-based simulation that will be starting on Saturday. Right now I have it scheduled Tuesday through Friday, but I'm guessing most students will be done bidding resources on Thursday, and so we might cut Friday off if no one's going to try and get any more resources and start the simulation early. So we'll figure out a way to survey the class after Thursday night and into Friday morning so that we can get the period started and you can make your period 1 decisions. Lastly, Case 2 is now assigned. It covers concepts, well, it goes back a few chapters and covers for sure concepts in Chapter 6 and tests your skill and being able to do some basic stuff, real basic stuff, I think, in Microsoft Project or some other project management software. And then the second phase will really, if you want to get working ahead on that, you can look at the Chapter 7 appendix on PERT, but you'll be doing a program evaluation review technique on the probabilistic data to assess the likelihood of the project actually being done on schedule. So it's a coupling thing, and we'll have you write it up in maybe in business format, ideally, or some sort of narrative format. You're not just going to give me the answers to the questions that make up part of the case. And so take a look at all that and come prepared for questions either this class or next class, or post those questions online. That's all I got for you this week. We'll talk to you next week.